Good day, people. My name is Ron Botha. I just want to give you the latest update on Crypto Fortune. So we can see that we are on the Crypto Fortune official Telegram channel. I just want to go with you through the latest update that we received from this platform. So I'm going to read this to you, dear Crypto Fortune community. First of all, we wish to extend our sincere gratitude to every member, leader, and supporter from around the world. Over the last 50 days, our community achieved something remarkable. A global movement with more than 50,000 users connected through one vision: participation, empowerment, and a decentralized growth. Your trust, energy, and your belief helped build one of the fastest growing communities in this space. For this, we thank each and every one of you from the bottom of our hearts. Current update is that over the past few days, the system experienced unusually high withdrawal activity driven largely by negative rumors, external misinformation, panic within certain groups. So, yes, we have seen that last couple of days was very up and down and lots of rumors and stuff going to and from. But this is the latest update in the situation. So, despite continuous efforts to maintain stability, it Despite continuous efforts to maintain stability, this rapid withdrawal trend caused a significant decline in the liquidity pool. To prevent further stress and to protect users from adding fresh funds during the unstable period, deposits through the back office have been temporarily disabled. Right now, I know your question is temporarily. Is it coming back? What is happening? No one of us knows yet. So, but it is disabled at the moment. No one can deposit any new funds into the smart contract at this moment. Right, so we have also been advised to withdraw since yesterday, last night, to withdraw whatever is available. But let's continue with this update. This is an important step to ensure that no one puts in new capital during the phase of uncertainty. Right, this is a transition phase. No one knows yet what is going to happen, what the future looks like. Please do not make assumptions. Please do not spread negative rumors and make up stories that you do not know or that it does not have any substance to prove the validity of that. So please, no one knows yet what tomorrow is going to happen. Nobody of us knows. We are getting to the plans and we look at the plans and then we can take it from there. Withdrawals remain open and active. So as of now, the current balance is 410,000 US dollars. It still remains in the smart contract balance as of now. This was 11:33 and the time now is 12:30. So this is basically 1 hour ago. Let us just go to the actual smart contract. Let me just see if I can get there. Close that one now. I believe it's this one, yeah. So we've seen a decline, a huge decline in the last couple of hours and days within this smart contract balance. So let's just update it. It's now currently sitting at 380,000 US dollars. All right, so what you can withdraw at the moment is your ROI claims if it is $5 or above, or your network profits. If it is $5 or above, you can withdraw that. And there's no restrictions on that anymore. Right, if your principal has been released, please withdraw that as well and do not reinvest it back. So this is the current balance available, 380,000. They have assured us that the developers will look at those that recently joined, that hasn't recovered their 30-day cycles yet. How it's going to work, what's going to be, nobody knows yet. But let's just return to that message and carry on. So let's just go back there. Where was it? Right, withdrawals remain open and active, and as of now, we saw now is 380,000 remaining at the moment. So the acknowledgement to the community, we acknowledge every community member who supported the platform, took part in trainings, built teams, and contributed to this journey in any capacity, small or big. You made the movement possible, this movement possible. Right, we also express our sincere apologies to those who may not have yet recovered their funds and expected a longer run from this platform. Many of us had big belief and hopes. Yes, everything looked very, very good at one stage. So yes, we understand your emotions and we stand with you during this moment. The road ahead, let's look at the future. We cannot change anything that happened in the past. So let's look at the future and be positive, be patient until we get more news and see what's going on. So the vision beyond today, right? The backend development team has been working on a broader long-term Web3 ecosystem that includes a blockchain framework, a Web3 non-custodial wallet, a decentralized exchange, and native crypto token, staking and utility-based programs, NFT utilities, a crypto card, a launchpad. The goal is to build a real utility-driven ecosystem, not dependent on one single model. If the current crypto Fortune 1.0 is still going to carry on, I am not sure. I cannot give you any updates on that or any feedback. I am currently also not 100% sure about that. What I just know is that members are advised to withdraw whatever they can. And this is the future that we are waiting for 2.0 to launch. Right, the goal is to build a real utility-driven ecosystem and not dependent on one single model. Right, so and as the ecosystem unfolds over time, members who stay connected and patient will have access to new opportunities within this broader framework. Right, we just need to be patient and wait and see what is going to unfold. Right, so a message from the heart. To everyone who supported, guided, trained, built, or believed, thank you. To those who feel disappointed or confused, we understand you. To those who are still standing together as a community, your patience, unity, and your maturity will define what comes next. This is the time for us to rise to the occasion and not the time to blame and to find fault. There's nothing that we can do to change the past, nothing we can go back to. We know what went wrong and we must learn from that. So yes, if you are a leader in this community, please educate your teams on the importance of the influence of social media and how quickly a negative word can destroy something that is meant to change the world. A negative thing that destroys in a moment something that has been built up for over a month. Right, so the importance of getting your information at the correct sources of the creator, not from any Tom, Dick, and Harry. Right, I'm not saying do not do your own due diligence. Get your information from the source, from the creator of whatever it is that you are researching. Right, don't believe any Tom, Dick, and Harry. Because we know there's always stories being added on opinions. Everyone hears a thing and then it becomes bigger and bigger and it's a snowball at the end of the day. And then everything is taken totally out of context and out of hand at the end of the day. So your patience and your unity and the maturity will define what comes next. So this will definitely be a game changer for those who stay committed here. Right, regardless of the current challenges, one truth remains. This community was built on participation, solidarity, and the desire to create something meaningful. Right, and we know that it was absolutely brilliant. What else is coming can just get better. So yes, let's stay connected, let's stay respectful. Let us navigate this moment with calmness and clarity as well. The journey may may evolve, but the spirit of this community must remain strong. So together we move forward one step at a time. I make an appeal to each and everyone listening to this message. Please stay calm, be patient, look out for the updates, and please do not make up rumors and believe anything that you hear from anywhere except from the creators or the sources closest to the creator. In other words, your leaders in this platform. Right. I thank you very much, and please take note, this is not financial advice. This is purely for educational purposes that I am giving you this update. And you can find it on the Crypto Fortune official Telegram, Crypto Fortune official Telegram group. Right, so yes, that is. And here you can see that they have opened up the withdrawals, the ROI withdrawals. It's fully active. The network rewards is fully active as well. The minimum is still $5 because the smart contract code cannot change. Right, the principal withdrawals, if it is available and your 30-day cycles have been completed, please withdraw that funds. First, you need to claim your ROI, then it will update the 30-day cycles and you will be able to withdraw that 30-day cycle principal return, minus 5% withdrawal fee. All right. So the system is functioning normally and all features, this was the update last night, are live in the back office. Right. So please stay calm, stay informed, and continue guiding your teams with clarity and positivity. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I thank you very much for your time. Please stay updated, stay connected, and stay informed. And do not follow any Tom, Dick, and Harry that is claiming to know anything or get the information at the correct sources. I thank you very much. Let's see what 2.0 will bring to us. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.